Furness General. That's the hospital. Thank you kindly. Good light timings there. Well, apart from, what was it, Santon Bridge campsite, apart from then, I don't think I've ever done any nighttime videography. Here we come to Ramsden Square. I thought the statue would be lit up, you know. I really did. Disappointed, but it's not, to be honest. Stay there, please. Stay there. Thank you. So, where was I? Yes, I've got no idea how this would turn out. The lighting levels. Just got no idea. Let's say it's a bit of an experiment. I think we'll just nip across and have a look at the twinkly lights on Walney Channel. Better turn off the camera here because a certain employer there's a certain place of employment in the town that gets twitchy if there's any photography going on around it, so I won't. Oh, what's the state of the tide? Let's have a look at the twinkly lights on the water. And there's the Ferry Hotel. Literally up the head of the landing slip, just there, where the ferry once operated before they built the bridge. I've talked about that in one of our kayaking videos. Twinkle, twinkle. So 21st of January. Quite cold. I think it's 7 degrees. Quite cold. It could obviously be a lot worse, so quite nice to me, the sort of silhouetted reflections, but to the camera it probably just looks like murk on the water, so I don't know. I'm pretty sure they had floodlights on that. What the hell's happened? They let the side down, haven't they? On the one night where it needed to be working. Because I'm about with my video. And they didn't even have the blinking lights on the statue. What use is that, eh? Oh look, it's 10 o'clock at night. Yes, look who's come to town. It's the Knife Angel. Let's have a quick look at that, eh? In the night time. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, it looks pretty good at night actually, doesn't it? I think I'll come back in the daytime and do some that's quite impressive, isn't it? Hands out in supplication. Look at all the knives, kitchen knives, pen knives. Some of the blades there are frighteningly big, you know. It's quite astonishing, that actually, isn't it? Look at it, wow. That reminds me of the novel of a Red Dragon. Can't remember the name of the author, but that's pretty good, isn't it? You can see all the pearlescent handles and the plastic handles and things. Some information there about it. The Knife Angel. The National Monument Against Violence and Aggression. In 2014, the Save a Life, Surrender Your Knife campaign was born. Yeah, that's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, I'll come back in the daytime. Yeah, look at all the sort of, what would you call it? Wobbly lights reflected on the wall. Where's that coming from? Oh, those lights up there, I reckon. Could it be? Just above it, where it says conference hire and the forum. So those lights, yeah, I think that's those projecting the way flare. It's pretty good actually, isn't it? I've never been down here and looked at that at this sort of after darkfall. Although I must have been to the forum occasionally when it's been dark. Yeah. Oh, just changed colour, look. Yes, they've gone orange now. They were some other colour before, weren't they? Because it's a dead impressive town hall, you know. Absolutely astonishing. Yes, the Knife Angel, pretty good, eh? Yeah, again, there's got... It's changing colour, the different hues. It was purple, now it's sort of green or orangey, and there's the purple again. Turquoisey. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? I think this is here for a few weeks. I don't know. Oh. Town centre. Yeah, it's all good. Well, I think that's about us done, isn't it? We've seen most of the highlights. Ah! The highlights. That did come out of nowhere, that joke, actually. It wasn't intentional. 10. Oh, it's topical at least, isn't it? These are bike parks here, you see, so that's why I drove in, to get off the road, out of the way of the buses. Just checking the camera's still on. I don't know what's happened to all the nightlife in Barrow. It used to be heaving down here once. I know there's been a pandemic and that, but even before that it ceased. Town hall again. Again, Cavendish Square. No lights. Or is there? Is there a light of sort? There's a very faint, feeble green light over there. I'm just going to go round it and see. Very faint green light. Don't know what's going on here. No, it's not illuminated. I see the green light's reflection off those traffic lights. No, it's no good, is it? King's Arms. Mason Street. Barrow booze. I wonder what they sell. What does that shop sell? Olympic Chippy. Taylor's Bar and Lounge. Alright. Ah, it's all very good down here, isn't it? The Vapor Bar. China Tang. Spoons, the Diamond Restaurant. I think that's about it really. Oh, go on, pull out anyway.